The circadian rhythm, also known as the body's internal clock, is a 24-hour cycle that governs various psychological processes in the body, including sleep-wake patterns, hormone production, and metabolism. This rhythm is controlled by a complex network of internal and external cues, with the primary cue being the light-dark cycle of the environment. When properly aligned, the circadian rhythm can give us consistent and restorative sleep, essential for overall physical and mental health. However, when the circadian rhythm is derailed, it can cause significant sleep problems such as sleep apnea, insomnia, daytime sleepiness, decreased alertness, and problems with memory and decision making. If you want to learn more, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on dreams, nightmares, and all things sleep. Now, let's carry on. Firstly, let's discuss how the circadian rhythm actually works. The circadian rhythm works by helping to make sure the body's processes are efficient and optimized at every point during the 24-hour period. Interestingly, circadian rhythms actually exist in all types of living organisms, including animals, plants, and even flowers. That's why you notice sometimes plants and flowers close up during the night and open up during the day. In humans, this important process coordinates mental and physical systems throughout the body. The main pacemaker of the circadian rhythm is a small region of the brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, located in the hypothalamus. The SCN receives information about light exposures from the eyes and uses this information to synchronize the body's internal clock with the external environment. This synchronization is also known as entrainment. The circadian rhythm plays a significant role in regulating the sleep-wake patterns. During the day, light exposure causes the internal clock to send signals of alertness and wakefulness. As nighttime comes around, the darkness sends signals to the pineal gland in the brain to release a hormone called melatonin, which promotes the feeling of sleepiness. Melatonin levels rise in the evening as the sun sets and reaches its peak in the late evening, signaling the body that it's time for sleep. As morning comes around and daylight increases, the melatonin levels decrease, signaling the body to wake up. This is also why exposure to bright light, such as phones and computer screens at night, can disrupt the sleep-wake cycle, suppressing the production of melatonin and making it harder for people to fall asleep. Some studies found that the circadian rhythm has been connected to metabolism and weight through blood sugars and cholesterol regulation. It can also influence mental and psychiatric illnesses such as depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, and even neurodegenerative diseases such as dementia. Disruptions in the circadian rhythm short-term may not cause any long-term effects. However, if your circadian rhythm is off for a long period of time, this can cause a host of serious health problems. Some things that can disrupt the circadian rhythm include shift work, which requires people to work throughout the night and sleep during the day. This puts a person's sleep schedule in direct conflict with the daylight hours. Jet lag, which I'm sure most of you have experienced this before. This is when you are flying over multiple time zones in a short period of time. This causes the person's internal clock to be misaligned with the time at the new destination. People will likely suffer from fatigue, insomnia, until their body fully acclimates to the new time zone. Non-24-hour sleep-wake disorder is a condition that primarily occurs in people who are blind. Because they are not able to receive light and darkness cues, their internal clock may be out of whack. Irregular sleep-wake rhythm disorder causes people to not have a consistent sleep pattern. People suffering from this disorder may take many naps or short naps throughout the day. This disorder has correlations with conditions that affect the brain, such as dementia or trauma to the brain. We now know that the circadian rhythm is an integral part of our well-being, so it's important that we keep it in check. Here are a few tips to maintain a healthy sleep-wake cycle. Number 1. Seek out the sun and expose yourself to natural light during the day, and avoid screens and other sources of light during the night. Number 2. Get daily exercise to support a healthy body and mind. This can also help you fall asleep more easily. Just remember to not work out too close to bedtime. Number 3. Keep naps short and early in the afternoon. Evening naps can push back your bedtime and throw your sleep schedule off the rails. And finally, number 4. Follow a consistent sleep schedule so your body can adapt to a stable circadian rhythm. It's important to have good sleep hygiene if you want to support a healthy circadian rhythm. However, other steps may be necessary if you are suffering from more serious sleep disorders. We hope you learned something new today about the circadian rhythm. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click on the notification bell for more amazing content like this. Share this with a friend if you think they may need a little wake-up call. Thanks for watching, and until next time, sleep well.